Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talking about divided by one-digit numbers. In log division we have four main steps. The first step is divide. After divide you have multiply. After multiply you have subtract. And the last step is bring down. After bring down you have to go back to the first step, divide. Example number 1, you have 848 divided by 4. First, we have to start from the first number at left, and then the first step is divide. 8 divided by 4, you have to know the multiplication table, because 8 divided by 4 is 2. Because 2 times 4 is equal to 8, so you have to know the multiplication table. Because if you didn't know, or if you don't know the multiplication table, when you say 8 divided by 4, if you know the multiplication table, it's equal to 2. But if you don't know the multiplication table, you have to draw 4 circles and then divide 8 over these circles equally, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last circle is 2, so 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. After divide, we have multiply. 2 times 4 equal to 8. And after multiply, we have subtract. We have to subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 8 is 0. After subtract, you have bring down. You have to bring down only 4. You have to go back to the first step, divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1. After divide, you have multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. After multiply, you have subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. And after subtract, you have bring down. You have to bring down the last number, 8. You have to go back to the first step, divide. 8 divided by 4 is 2. After divide, you have multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. And then after multiply, you have subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. And then the answer is called, in division, is called quotient. And this number is called divisor. And this number is called remainder. And the big number is called dividend. After that, we have a check step to know our quotient is correct or not. In check step, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient, and then we have to add the product with the remainder. So for check step, you have to multiply 212 by 4. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. After that, the remainder is 0. You have to add with 0. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4, 8. So we have 848 and the dividend is 848. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 2, we have 158 divided by 5. The first step is divide. 1 divided by 5, we can't. We have to take these two numbers together. 15 divided by 5 is 3. If you don't know the multiplication table, when you say 15 divided by 3, you have to draw 3 circles and divide 15 equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The last circle include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. After that, 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. After divide, you have multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 minus 5 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. After subtract, you have to bring down 8. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step. 8 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. After that, we have a check step to know our quotient is correct or not. In check step, you have to multiply 5 by 31. Uh, 31 multiplied by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. After that, we have to add this product with remainder. Remainder is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5, 1. 158. The dividend is 158. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 3, we have 804 divided by 8. First step is divide. 8 divided by 8 is 1. After divide, you have multiply. 1 times 8 is 8. And after multiply, you have subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. After that, you have to bring down 0. 0 divided by 8, we don't have any 8s are in 0, so we have to write 0 in the quotient. 0 times 8 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then we have to bring down 4. 4 divided by 8, we can't, because 4 is less than 8, so we have to write 0. 0 times 8 equal to 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. After that, we have a check step. In check step, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient. 100 multiplied by 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8 is 8. And then we have to add this product with the remainder is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0, 8. We have 804 and the dividend is 804. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 4, we have 223 divided by 4. So 223 we have to write inside, and then we have to write 4 outside the long division. After that, the first step is divide. 2 divided by 4 we can. You have to take these two numbers together. 22 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. After that, you have to bring down 3. We have 23. 23 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 equal to 20. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Example number 5. We have 607 divided by 3. 607 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. After that, you have to bring down 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring down 7. 7 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So the quotient is 202 and remainder is 1. Example number 6, the last example, 113 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 you have to take these two numbers together. 11 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 11 is 1 times 8 is 8. 11 minus 8 equal to 3, and then you have to bring down 3. 33 divided by 8 is 4. 4 times 8 equal to 32, and then you have to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the quotient is 14 and remainder is 1.